Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. Did you know that Starbucks has a secret ingredient and it's in their simple sugar base? It is pre-mixed in and it's used for their Frappuccino base. The ingredient? Xanthan gum. In this video, I'm showing you how to make a homemade keto version that's just as good. To a glass, coat the walls with a keto caramel sauce using a spoon or a squeeze bottle. Both of my keto caramel sauce recipes are linked below. Look at this smooth and creamy goodness. It has a shine to it and won't crystallize in the fridge. To a blender, add in the crushed ice, almond milk, heavy cream, espresso, allulose, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. Cover the container with a lid and blend until smooth. While the blender is running, add in the Xanthan gum. Adjust the sweetness to taste. Add more keto caramel sauce if desired. Pour the mixture into the glass and top it with some homemade or store-bought whipped cream. Drizzle the keto caramel sauce on top of the whipped cream and serve. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in joining Patreon, details are below.